How to save a product in Sephora. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily keep it in your wish list or save it. First of all, go to the website name sephora.com. Now this interface will pop up. Now here you can select the product that you want to save. So here I'm tapping on one. Now it will take some time. So the product details will be shown all here. So if you slowly scroll down, here there's a section called Love. Simply tap on this love button. Now after you do this, it will automatically go to your wish list or your saved ones. So on the top you can see this wishlist button. Simply tap on this wishlist button. So this is the place where you can know which items you have loved or which items you want to save and buy it for later. So it's the best way to save it for later in order to buy it easily. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.